Hi viewers, and welcome back. Did you know that your body is designed to function best in an alkaline state? Unfortunately, the typical Western diet is high in acidic foods and low in alkaline ones, which can lead to various health issues such as heart disease, stroke, cancer, skin disorders, autoimmune conditions, and allergies. The solution is to incorporate more alkaline foods into your daily diet to help balance your body's pH levels. In today's video, we'll share the best alkaline foods you should be eating every day. From jalapenos and watermelon to tofu, apricots, garlic, and more, stay tuned to learn about all of them. 1. Lemons. Lemons are packed with alkaline minerals like potassium and magnesium, which have alkalizing effects on the body. Though citric acid in lemons is highly acidic in its natural state, it becomes alkaline once metabolized. Lemons are also rich in calcium, iron, vitamins A, C, and B complex, pectin fiber, and carbohydrates. They boast powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and immune-boosting properties. Additionally, lemons cleanse and detoxify the body, improve digestion, aid weight loss, support skin health, boost immunity, and prevent infections. How do you like to include lemons in your diet? Do you prefer lemonade, lemon soda, or lemon squeezed directly on your food and salad? Share with us in the comments below. 2. Cucumber. Cucumbers are a great addition to an alkaline diet as they quickly neutralize acids and aid digestion. Their nutritional profile is impressive, offering a wealth of vitamins K, C, and various B vitamins. Cucumbers also provide significant amounts of copper, amino acids, carbohydrates, soluble and insoluble fiber, potassium, manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, biotin, and silica, all while being low in calories. They possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease, improve digestion, lower blood sugar levels, and combat various types of cancer. Additionally, their high water content helps keep the body hydrated. 3. Beet Greens. Beet greens are among the most alkaline foods available. Though not the most common green in our diets, their high alkalinity makes them a valuable addition to smoothies or stir-fries. Besides being highly alkaline, beet greens have a bitter quality that can stimulate bile production, aiding in the digestion of fats. They can easily substitute for other greens in salads, soups, or smoothies. 4. Bananas. Bananas, also known as potassium sticks, are another excellent alkaline food to include in your diet. They are rich in fiber, which supports digestive regularity and helps cleanse toxins from your digestive system. Despite concerns about their sugar content leading to weight gain, bananas are a healthier choice compared to processed foods like granola bars that are loaded with sugar and acidic ingredients. 5. Tofu. Tofu, derived from soybeans, is an alkaline food that shares many of its health benefits with other soy-based products. It's important to choose organic soy products to avoid modified versions that may be cheaper but less nutritious. Tofu is a low-calorie source of protein and iron, derived from soybean curds. It also contains isoflavones, which are believed to offer protection against age-related heart and brain diseases. 6. Watermelon. Watermelons are typically enjoyed more in the summer, but there's no reason why you shouldn't include them in your daily diet year-round. Besides being rich in water and nutrients, watermelon offers a range of health benefits. It's known for its essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which contribute to its anti-cancer properties. The fruit's high fiber content supports healthy digestion and heart health. 7. Kale. It might be unexpected, but kale, often considered a polarizing vegetable, ranks among the most alkaline foods. This is due to its exceptional energy-providing qualities. Kale is packed with vitamins A, E, and C, making it a valuable addition to your diet whether eaten raw or cooked. It's also abundant in flavonoids, plant-specific nutrients believed to contribute significantly to the nutritional value of vegetables. Flavonoids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and potential anti-cancer benefits. 8. Blueberries. Blueberries, known for their abundance of antioxidants, make a beneficial addition to any smoothie or salad for those aiming to maintain an alkaline diet. Consuming blueberries daily has been associated with improved long-term heart health, with regular consumption reducing the risk of heart disease by up to 15%. Additionally, blueberries are highly regarded for their antioxidant properties, which help mitigate oxidative stress in the body, known to contribute to aging. These antioxidant qualities also play a role in enhancing brain health. Studies have shown that supplementing with blueberries can lead to better neurocognitive outcomes in older adults. 9. Apricot. It's important to note that the method of processing significantly affects alkalinity levels in foods. Whether you consume a food raw, dried, cooked, or boiled can alter its chemical composition and nutritional benefits. This distinction is particularly evident with apricots. While raw apricots are naturally alkaline-rich, their alkaline content intensifies significantly when dried. Dehydration not only enhances flavor but also concentrates the nutrients that contribute to apricots' health benefits. However, it's essential to exercise caution if opting for dried fruits over raw. Although drying improves the alkaline profile, it can also lead to consuming excessive amounts of apricots. This can result in higher calorie and sugar intake, so it's wise to monitor your consumption accordingly. 10. Green beans. Another valuable addition to your diet are green beans, celebrated for their versatility and pleasant taste enjoyed worldwide. Notably alkaline-rich, green beans are distinguished by their high silicon content. Research indicates that silicon is crucial for maintaining healthy connective tissue and bones. Therefore, incorporating green beans into your meals could potentially support bone health alongside providing a mild and adaptable flavor that complements various recipes effortlessly. 11. Avocados. Avocados aid in neutralizing acidic waste and fostering a more alkaline body environment. This smooth, green fruit is densely packed with essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, folate, potassium, selenium, and beneficial healthy fats. Avocados also provide significant amounts of vitamins K, C, B5, and A, along with potent antioxidants like beta-carotene. Incorporating avocados into your diet supports various health benefits, including weight management, inflammation reduction, and enhancement of heart health. 12. Garlic. Garlic, a remarkable food, is also alkaline and contributes to overall well-being. The primary compound in garlic, allicin, possesses antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and antioxidant properties. Additionally, garlic is rich in nutrients such as vitamins B1, B6, and C, as well as minerals like manganese, calcium, copper, and selenium, among others. Garlic aids in detoxification by enhancing glutathione production, which helps eliminate toxins from the digestive system. This alkaline food offers numerous health benefits, including promoting heart health, bolstering immune function, reducing blood pressure, and supporting liver function. 13. Almonds. Almonds stand out as one of the healthiest nuts due to their significant calcium and iron content. They also provide a substantial amount of protein, making them satisfying and aiding in weight loss. Incorporating almonds into your diet can enhance alkalinity. For even greater nutritional benefits, consider replacing regular milk with almond milk. Beyond alkalizing properties, almonds offer a range of health advantages. To explore their diverse benefits, watch the video titled "Eating Almonds Every Day for a Week Will Do This to Your Body." Now, let's return to discussing healthy alkaline foods that should be part of your daily diet. 14. Cayenne peppers. Another unexpected high alkaline food is cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper stands out as one of the most alkalizing foods, boasting antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits. This unique combination makes it effective in combating toxins. Cayenne pepper supports digestion, enhances metabolic function, and uplifts mood by stimulating endorphin production in the body. 15. Sea vegetables. Sea vegetables represent a treasure trove of alkaline foods rich in micronutrients renowned for their exceptional health benefits. Each variety boasts unique nutritional profiles, but all are abundant in iodine, a crucial trace element. Sea vegetables also provide essential amino acids and antioxidants like phenols and tannins. Despite their naturally salty taste, kelp, dulse, kombu, and other edible sea plants are relatively low in sodium and calories. 16. Jalapeno. Jalapenos and most other peppers, ranging from mild to spicy, contribute to maintaining a healthy pH level in your body by promoting alkalinity. If you enjoy a bit of heat, jalapenos are an excellent choice for an alkaline diet as they can support your endocrine system and help combat free radicals in the body. Which of the foods we discussed today are already part of your daily diet? And which one would you consider incorporating into your regular diet after watching today's video? If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.